Do you want to add your Booking.com reviews to your business website fast and easy and even free, just depending on your traffic? Great. That's what I'm going to show you how to do here in this video. So I'm going to pretend I'm building a website for a bed and breakfast, just a simple informational website about my bed and breakfast. I'm using Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. I'll put the link down below. But if you're using any other type of platform, it'll work with that platform too. So the way that this works is all you have to do is go over to this tool called Elfsight. And Elfsight works seamlessly with Mighty Sites. And you just go to their Booking.com reviews widget. And I'm going to put the link to both Mighty Sites and this Elfsight Booking.com reviews site below. But then you just pick your template that you like, so you can put it in all different types of ways. I'll just pick this one. I think that looks pretty good. And then you click on continue with this template. Now, Elfsight's free for up to a certain amount of traffic. And then after that, it's just like $5 or $10 a month. So now I'm just going to click on add to website for free. I don't have a Booking.com because I don't actually own an Airbnb or a bed and breakfast. So I'm just going to use the default content. But as you saw there, you just paste in your Booking.com profile. Then all you do is you click here on install, and you can click on your website platform to get the instructions. But for Mighty Sites and for most of these, it's going to work like this. You just click on copy code, then you go over to your site, and on Mighty Sites, it's right here. So I'm just going to click on Elfsight code, boom, paste it in. I'm going to click on save, close it. And now when I go back up to the top, I'm going to click on stop editing mode. You can see here's my bed and breakfast website that I've got in the works. I'm going to scroll right down here and boom, there are my Booking.com reviews. Makes your website look super professional and customized to you. Very easy to do. Again, $9 a month for Mighty Sites and super cheap and easy for Elfsight. It starts at $0 and then it's just like $5 or $10 a month after that. You can build a nice website here for your bed and breakfast, link out to if you have booking software, things like that, and then just build some nice pages that talk about how great your bed and breakfast is that you offer for just $9 a month website platform. Can't beat it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video as we keep telling you and showing you how to make the most of your small business website, especially on a budget.